Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a review and an on foot of the Nike SB Rayguns. But just as a little disclaimer before we get into the review, I don't know that much about SBs and Dunks. I don't really own too many of them. As you guys probably saw in my sneaker collection, I didn't have any. But the only other pair of SBs and Dunks I've actually owned was the Diamond Supply High Dunks. One of my grails is the lows. I love those. I used to wear a lot of Diamond Supplies, so those are like perfect for me. Like, I need those eventually. One day I'll get them. Maybe if they ever come out again, I'll get them, but right now the prices are too high, so not pulling the trigger on those. But yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the review. Okay, so this is the box they come in. Let me show you guys the size tag. I got a 9.5. Retail was $100. I paid around $240 because I couldn't get them for retail. All right, we just have the regular SB paper. Wow, these look amazing. Let me take them out. Oh, you can see the little Go verification sticker, nothing crazy. And these, just to prove that they're real. Yeah, let me show you guys the shoes now. All right, just from the front, these look awesome. Leather quality, really nice. Check from the side. Yeah, really nice quality. You can see the little alien right there. All right, so in case you guys didn't know, the Rayguns isn't a real team. It was a thing they did a long time ago. It was just for like a fake team. And the original colorway had just plain orange and plain yellow. I've seen them. I like them. They made two colorways, the away team and the home team. I believe this is the home team, I believe. And the white colorway, which is the away team. But just looking at these are so nice. They have the 58 in the back. Nike SB Rayguns. They have a lot of padding, as you can see. Oh, I did not know that they had tie-dye insoles. That's awesome. And yeah, these just look awesome. In case you guys didn't know, Sandy Bodecker, which played a big part in Nike SBs, he basically like built the brand into what it is today. He actually passed, and they did like a little homage to him. He used to always wear a tie-dye hoodie, and they made these tie-dyed like just for him, which I think is really cool. Like, just the story behind it is awesome. Let's take a look at the inside. Nothing too crazy. The bottom's all white. But yeah, just the story behind it is awesome. I'm glad that they like paid homage to him. That I'm pretty sure he would be like so happy that they did that. But yeah, let's get into the on foot. All right, so here I have them on foot. I got a 9.5. My true size is a 9, and I'm really happy I got a 9.5 just because the big tongue makes them feel small, to me at least. And they look really good on feet. Let me show you guys. In case you guys are wondering, I'm just wearing some regular American Eagle jeans. Here, let me stand up so you guys can see how they look. You guys should be fine with going true to size, at least. And as long as you don't have like wide feet like me, you should be fine. Look from the back. But yeah, these look amazing. Let me show you guys. I don't know how they would look in the black laces. I wouldn't put them on, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, maybe check out some of my other content. If you guys want me to review any other sneakers or want me to do anything else, you know, leave it in the comments. We could talk about sneakers. Let me know what you guys think about the kicks. Thanks for watching. Bye.